Hello and welcome to today's episode of TSARP. I'm your host, Andrew Weir, and today our co-hosts are Sam and Steven.
I'm back, guys.
Guys, he's back.
Well,
Wow.
my ears, that was a little loud. Oh, by the way, I think the audio now works correctly. I forgot to ask, but I know it was a little low, but I think I fixed it, so you guys should be able to hear
Okay.
them perfectly fine. Again, if there's any issues during the stream, please let us know. And for everyone listening on Spotify and everywhere else, we do these live now. I know, it's a this year edition, so you can check it out on YouTube. So, speaking of live, we have two live streams running right now. I know, that's why we were a bit delayed, because I've never run two live streams at the same time. But we have another live stream, and it's a lo-fi live stream. I know, what's lo-fi? Well, most of you know. It's just a stream where it plays study / coding / whatever music, and there's a cool space background. So when you're frustrated debugging that code, you can listen to it. So, maybe it will make you focus, and maybe you'll find the bug. No guarantees. I'm not saying anything will officially happen. Don't sue me. But yeah, so that's cool. We started that up yesterday. For those watching in the future, that's what's today's date? September 12th. So there you go. But we got a bunch of topics today to talk about. First of all, we figured out who made Eric. This was a few days ago. We just forgot to tell you guys. That's crazy. Also, Sam. Sam dressed up as Eric today. Or
I did.
partially. Of course, we talked about the lo-fi stream, and Coding Club is back, so that's exciting. So let's start off with Coding Club. So it actually got started yesterday again, and it was archived for a little while. Now we're talking about the Hauppauge Coding Club Google Classroom. Obviously, if you don't go to Hauppauge, we can't let you in. Boo-hoo.
Sorry.
Hopefully you have your own coding club. Yeah, sorry.
Really sad boo-hoo.
But yeah, so now it's all up and running. So Hauppauge, what do we call ourselves? Hauppauggers? I think that's a
Hauppagians?
very outdated name that we just kept using. But yeah, so we can all use it. We can talk about, all the stuff going on in Coding Club. But now it's all in there. It's up and running. Mr. Farrar had taken it down for a little while, and he brought it back up. So that's exciting. So yeah, so Eric, right? Eric, the fantastic Eric. Apparently,
We love Eric.
so we have a bunch of new facts. We do love Eric. First of all, Sam's now Eric. Actually, that's been a thing for a while. Sam, should I dox Sam? It's not doxing.
Dox me.
It's not
I dare
even.
you.
I'll try to find the photo, guys. But Sam dressed up as Eric for Halloween, last year? It was actually really funny, and I believe, and it's not doxing because I'm not giving you his address or anything, but
Yeah.
it's also already online, the photo. Mr. Farrar posted it to Twitter a while ago. By the way, I guess that's a great segue to say, follow us on Twitter. I don't know.
Go do it,
Basically,
guys.
we haven't posted anything recently. Basically, all we talk about is TSARP, so it's the same stuff here. But yeah, so for last Halloween, Sam dressed up as Eric, and he wore the same shirt again today, so he was Eric again. And yeah, I mean, it's crazy. Did you know that if you go to Hauppauge, you're in the presence of Eric? I know. It's crazy, right?
Hey.
But yeah, so we figured out who created Eric. And then we lost it again, but we still we still basically know. We found his Twitter, right? So we were gonna tweet at him on Twitter, and that's why you should follow us. But then we realized he was inactive, so we're like, oh, that's kind of sad. But then he had his email on his website, so we're like, okay, we should email him. But he was also inactive on there, so but we should still try. And then the other thing is we found all the other Erics, and this was a big topic last year. But there's a ton of different Eric style drawings. And also, fun fact, his name isn't Eric, it's Jimmy. Who knew?
Wow.
I didn't. I guess Kidoyo just gave him that name when they used him, and we're like, okay, that's his new name. But I think, and I forget, I think this was Mr. Farrar's idea, but we should have a full-on, Netflix-style documentary of where Eric came from. I think we should have, we should interview Kidoyo, be like, okay, how did you find him? Why did you use him? Why did you name him Eric? And then we should interview the real guy, like the guy who created him, and be like, why did you create Eric? Why is his name Jimmy? And what's the story behind him? And then we can interview like ourselves, or the hackathon team, or the guy that brought Eric to
Sam,
what
how
it
do you
is
use
today.
Eric in your daily life?
Yes, Sam.
Yeah. I think it would be a great hit, honestly.
It really would be. I think we should really pitch it at Netflix, right? I think that would be awesome. But I found the picture. Is everyone ready? It's great. It really is. It is actually funny. Okay, here we go. That's him. That's Sam. That's Eric. That's Eric in real life, if you didn't know.
I don't think you're sharing your screen.
I am
Oh, wait,
to
never
everyone
mind.
else, yeah. But yeah, so that, I mean, it's crazy. You got cartoon Eric, and then you got real Eric. What are you doing for Halloween this year, Sam?
It's Sam and
I'm-
Samric.
I'm being Oyabot this year.
That's gonna be great. I can't
I'm
wait
gonna
for
be
that.
Amy.
You be Amy. What should I be? I gotta
should
think.
be,
I should be the rocket ship.
Yeah.
The pants. Yeah. But that's Samric, Eric, Air Sam. But yeah, so that's the shirt Sam was wearing today. And if you guys can find, like, Eric, if you want to use Eric, you don't need to be, of course, a part of Kidoyo. You can just, I forget what to search. It's like Jimmy clip art character something, I forget. I think, yeah, it's something like that. It's like Jimmy clip art character. Let's see if I can find him. But yeah, so
When I searched that up, I found Jimmy Neutron.
that's all I'm finding. Yeah, I forget. Free SVG, I think you gotta put in there too. SVG. Okay, maybe it'll come up. Okay, so this is it. So this is all the other styles of Eric. Oh wait, what's
Wow.
this? Filmmaker? What's... Okay, we're going on a scavenger hunt right now. It's Eric operating a camera. Ooh, it's Eric as Santa Claus. Eric's brother, old Eric. Like, see, look at these. Like, I bet half the people didn't know about that. That's Soldier. That's Buffrick. Buffrick, that's great.
I love these.
That's Eric and
These are
toilet paper.
hilarious.
That's real Eric right there. Like, this is, what's that detective guy? People are gonna make fun of me that I didn't know this. That detective guy, Sherlock Holmes. Yeah, that's Sherlock Holmes,
Okay.
Eric. That's scuba diving Eric. That's Derek, not Pirate Eric. We named him Derek, and he made us win the Pirate Hackathon. So yeah, so basically, long story short, this is Eric, and the creator is somewhere. It normally says, it was in here, I was pretty sure. Or open clip art, no. But yeah, so we found him, and then we haven't contacted him yet, so we really should, because that would be kind of funny. But if you guys want to use Eric, I don't know, should I put it in the chat? Should I, here's the
You
link.
should put it in the chat.
Here's the link. You can get him. He's right here. There you go. But that's Eric. There you go. So one of our other topics. Oh, I forgot about this. I was gonna run through like what our best episodes were because I thought it was interesting. Maybe I'll save that for tomorrow. Maybe I'll give you the highlights right now. But I think our best episode. Maybe I'll save that for tomorrow. Actually, no, it's kind of boring. It was an interview we did with just some web developer on Twitter. It had a big following. But one of that you guys would know, and is actually a kind of good episode. I haven't listened to it in a long time. I don't think even Steven, you were on it. But it's the Mineola episode where they hack into our website, and then we did a whole like timeline of it. But yeah, I haven't listened to it recently, but that's like one of our best. The dev interview I think is the second best. The Mr. Farrar one is up there. Yeah, I'm saying best as in viewership, not
I like
as
those.
quality, because quality, that would be hard. That would be hard to pick. I like the Scratch interview. That one was good.
Yeah.
You guys, I always try to shout that out because that's recent. That was very recent. So you guys can go listen to that, of course, on Spotify or YouTube. if there's an episode that you're searching for, by the way, that isn't on YouTube, it's probably on Spotify. So we asked Sam what his Halloween costume's gonna be. Steven, your only idea is Amy.
Yeah.
All right.
No, I'm gonna be the tree.
Oh, okay. The tree. What was Mr. Ferrara? I don't think it was anything interesting this year. Maybe we should do a group. We should do a group costume. Like
We
where
should
like
just
the
get
family.
everyone in the school to be a Kidoyo asset.
Like what if we get Miss Thompson to be Amy, Mr. Ferrara to be. Are there any like oh, isn't there like a teacher guy or something like that?
I think so.
Oh, I could be
Who's the?
Aaron. Sam could be
who's
Eric
Amy's
again.
Yeah. I feel like Mr. Flo would be a good Aaron.
Yeah.
Wow.
Maybe. But like we should all have like different characters. I think it would be funny. Maybe this year. But Sam's already being Oyobot, so I mean that works too. I was just thinking like the family. It's an unofficial family. I don't think there's no lore with these. We should really write up some and publish it at some point. Like one day Eric came out of the sky and said Hotpod should forever win the hackathons. What did I say? Nope, didn't say that. So I guess it brings us to that time of the episode where we play your hatch games. So by your, I mean anyone that just submits it. So today we have Z Pasta Lords. Oh, I forgot a topic. iPhone. Yeah,
like iPhone.
it came out. It was actually very
Hooray.
boring from what I know. Yeah, I don't think there were any big updates besides USB-C is now a thing. There you go. Now you can plug it in with USB-C.
Everything above the base phone has a 120 hertz refresh rate.
That's cool. I think
I
there's a
know,
new,
right?
Apple Watch.
I think
Isn't there
they
always a
removed
new
the
Apple
silent
Watch?
button on the new iPhone, right?
The silent button?
Oh yeah, they made that the action button.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's interesting. Okay.
And don't they have like an iPhone made of titanium?
Yes,
That's
the Pro
that's
Max.
What the iPhone is.
No, yeah, now the Pro Max, I believe, is the titanium one. So that's
I
interesting.
thought it was all of them that have the titanium frame now.
Is it?
Could be. I thought it was the Pro or Pro Max. Yeah. Again, I should have made the joke. I should have made this joke. I thought about it and then I forgot. But okay, guys, we just came back from the Apple event. It was really
yeah.
good. It was really
It
good.
was fun.
Yeah, like we learned a lot. Talked to Tim Cook. No, we didn't. We did not get invited. Tim Cook, you did something wrong. We should totally be there next year. Kidoyo
totally get
invites us
invited
to
if
like
you're
the
listening.
hackathons. Yeah, Kidoyo invites us to the hackathons. Like Apple, Kidoyo, they're the same. Same size, same cool factor. Yeah. I don't know, Apple, you're really missing out here. But yeah, definitely next year, me, Tim Cook. Yeah. So
We're
yeah,
gonna
so that
high five.
that's the Apple update news. Really nothing too interesting. I feel like the past years have really been letting us down. Gotta admit, nothing awesome, nothing cool, no
I
new
think
products.
this talk is why they don't let us at the Apple convention.
Why? Because it's
Wow, really?
boring. Because they didn't release anything, so we didn't get to say too much about them. Okay,
We have to make it sound exciting.
Right. This is crazy, guys. Actually, you know what we should do? We should just praise Apple for like the next year. Be like, Apple, best company ever. Still not as good as Kidoyo,
Wow.
but really good. Tim Cook.
Wow.
I know. Okay, so now really on to the last segment of the day. But we are playing Z Pasta Lord's game. Again, if you guys want to participate, if you want to submit your games, you can do that. I think you can just put them in the chat. I don't know. It works for me, but that's because I think it always will work for the people that run the channel. But yeah, test it out, I guess. I mean, today you can submit yours, or tomorrow, or any day. We always do it at the end of the episodes. Okay, so Sam and Steven, did you already play his game? I haven't yet, by the way.
I have.
That's
Like it says in the title, it's a simple platformer.
Okay, so by the way, Zpasta Lord is on Code LI. So I think his username, yeah, it's like MU3388, I think, or maybe that's just on Hash. I'm not sure. But let's play. Okay, instructions. Use the arrow keys to move and avoid spikes, lava, etc. Click space to continue. Okay, don't read this text. Haha, you lose. That's mean. He doesn't know if I read it. Unless he's watching. Which I'm pretty sure he is. Okay, so it's a platformer, a cool platformer specifically. Here we go. Okay. Do we go? I died. Click the flag and try again. So I'm forever here? Wow, that's sad. Okay, I died. Let me try again. I like that there's no... I died again. I'm upset. I like that there's no, like, real wait time, because sometimes there's a wait time, and you gotta wait while it gives the instructions. That was, like, our biggest criticism in the game jams, the summer game jams, is, like, don't make us wait. We're impatient sometimes when we're live. Okay, I think that's
I'm very
impossible.
impatient.
I'm calling that impossible. Can you double jump? No, you can't.
No, that's very possible. You just have to time it really well.
Yeah, I did it.
Me
The
too.
age-old joke, but I am the pro gamer, not a pro gamer, the pro gamer.
The one and
There
only.
we go. Yes, it is possible. Can I jump up here? Yeah, I can. I was like, is that a secret spike that I don't know about? Oh, this is gonna be annoying. No! I almost had it. I was very close. I say, yeah, I mean, what is it? Close is not enough? Is that an expression, or did I make that up? Here we go.
I've never
Oh.
heard that expression in my life.
Well,
Me
you
neither.
could have just gone along. Well, I made it. Yeah, can we get Andrew Weir quotes from the year? We thought about doing this, but like for all of us, I think we should just make a list of like Andrew Weir or like quote dash Andrew Weir, Sam Babiak dash quote or no quote dash Sam Babiak, Stephen Tola. I think we should just have a list of the weird things the strangely formatted things we've said throughout the year. Okay.
I can always count.
I can always count. That's an inside joke
Me
for
too.
all those OG TSARP listeners or hophoggers. Okay, I'm calling this impossible. No, I'm not. I did it earlier. It's hard, okay? It's not a really cool platformer. It's a really difficult platformer. Boom, I gotta focus. I can't speak. That's why. I'm gonna blame it every time that I'm trying to commentate as I play. That's what I'm gonna
Wow.
blame it on. Here we go. Okay. I feel like people make these games very difficult just so I struggle. I feel like that was a common theme in the game jams, like where people would make these really, especially like Irrational and Joseph, they would make them really difficult, and I would be sitting there like an idiot. Like that one time I had to spam spacebar. That was painful. Anyone remember that? Yeah, well, if you don't, you can go watch it. Haha, I just plugged another video. Now you gotta watch it.
Oh man.
Yeah, that's the rules. Increase that viewership. Yeah, but I feel like that was bad. I couldn't get it. And like I was like, do I just give up or no? And then I finally got it. I go, oh right, cuz I cheated, right? And then Irrational's like, do it for real. And then I did. Okay, that's been getting me this whole time. Next time I get up to it, I got to just not talk and do it because it's annoying. The spike is very annoying. The color's cool. I like the gradient. It feels like one of my games, which is not always a good thing, but in this sense, it is good. I also like the particles in the back. I haven't really been rating these games besides just saying if they're cool or not, because that's I say that for the game jams. Okay, I gotta focus. I can't speak. You ready? Boom. One. I did one. Okay, next one. Okay, I did two. Third one coming up. Last one. No. This game is very angering. Okay, here we go. I can't say last attempt. I gotta finish it. How many levels are there? Do you guys know if I'm almost if like there's
don't know.
that many? Man, okay. Zpasta Lord, if you're in the chat, tell us. I gotta know. And since I'm not looking at it, Sam and Steven tell me if he does. Okay, here we go. Oh, no, that's because I didn't spend enough time not talking. That's why. You guys better know it. Okay, last attempt here. These games, I mean, it is good when they're difficult because good story curve, I guess. Here we go. Did Steven, you beat it?
No,
Oh, Sam, did you?
I'm still stuck at that perfect perfect frame jumps.
For the yellow ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
yeah.
I'm still stuck on the ghetto. I
Yep,
hate it.
that's what I am too. Okay, I'm giving it. When you hate a game so much, they're obviously doing something right. Okay, here we go. Maybe last. Nope. Okay. This game, I'm telling you. Oh, I should have probably put it in the chat. That would probably be a good thing. Oh, you did. Okay, thank you, Steven.
Yep.
Steven, the moderator on top of things, not me. One thing I noticed. Oh wait, no, that's not a bug. That's supposed to be that way. I was gonna say that the particles don't touch the floor, but that's not supposed to touch the floor. Okay.
You're such a genius.
I know. Thank you, Sam. Okay, here we go.
I think he is a genius, actually. You
Fine.
should say it properly.
Okay, here we go.
What I
You
said.
ready? Yellow. Final. This is it. I can feel it. Okay, I
What
got
if
it.
there's another What if there's another level after that?
Imagine if there's
I
a
don't know.
level that's more frame perfect than this.
I hope not. Here we go. Total silence. Okay, well, there we go. Nope, I'm done. I lost. This is an old game, though. Created on the 18th of November. So maybe he's made them easier since then. I'm not sure. I feel like the running joke's going to be I never actually beat the games because I don't think I did yesterday. And people are probably going to get angry at that. But, you know, I guess that's just more... That's more...
Or
Yeah, more comments. More. Z Pasta Lord, I don't know if he said it in the YouTube chat, but he sent me a message. He said, there's one more level after yellow. He thinks. He said, I believe. So, like I said, he made it a long time ago, so I don't know. Okay. Ugh. Can I do this? Okay.
This is
Oh,
it.
he sent me another message. He said, if you jump up and to the left at the start, then jump again, you hit a platform.
Really?
I probably beat. I probably shouldn't have
did
said
it
this, but you
before.
ready? You ready? I'm doing it. Maybe he'll remove the cheat. This is probably because he couldn't do it. But if you jump up and to the left at the start, then jump again, you'll hit a platform. Okay, here, you ready? That didn't work. Oh, but it is right there, so. There. Oh, I beat it. You have completed this platformer. Thank you for playing. Okay, it's a cheat code. He sent this to me. I probably shouldn't have done on stream. Well, I guess that was the point. 3 seconds. That's my best. I think there should be cloud variables.
Good. You're so good at the game.
Yeah, I know. Really. Thanks, Sam. There really should be cloud variables, so I should. Okay, let me try to get the high score. I don't know if it's gonna be the high score, but I can try. Oh wait, does this time count? I'm not sure. There we go. Yeah, it does. Okay, so I gotta go immediately. That's the best time right there. 2.475. There you go. Best time ever. I am the world record holder. Yeah. Well, thanks for the submission. I'll give it a unique and a favorite, because that's not really a hard thing to get. But yeah, everyone that submits gets a unique and a favorite. There we go.
I'm gonna submit a game.
And yeah, so I guess that about wraps it up for today. If you guys want to submit a game tomorrow or whenever, we will play it again, or not play it again, play it. But thank you all for watching. If you want more TSARP, I was going to say more TSARP content. It doesn't count as TSARP content, but we have the lo-fi stream running 24/7, 7 days a week. 52 weeks a year. 52 point something, I believe. But thank you all for watching. Go check that out, and we will see you tomorrow, maybe at 4:30, probably at 4:30.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye. 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 There we go.
There you go. Here we go.